Okay, what we're doing today is we're doing an AV installation in an architect's home. He designed the home, but he needed us to design and install the AV system for him, as well as the Wi-Fi. And he's getting Verizon for internet, Optimum for cable TV, and we're in the process right now of putting the equipment into the racks that had to be assembled and wired so that all of this can be channeled to the upstairs. Upstairs being a family room where there's going to be we're mounting today a 75-inch Samsung ultra high definition TV and putting in speakers, a full surround system. We've already put in the back speakers that are in wall, and those are in place. We have Mesh WiFi system for good Wi-Fi throughout the home so that everything will work cohesively and nicely. And we're right now just putting in the DVD player for the family room, which is where the surround system will be. Our next step is to put in the receiver and get that connected and hooked up so that they can have full usability of the TV. So once we're done doing all of this, we're going to put that TV up, and we're going to be pretty much 98% done with the job in the next couple hours. So that's what we're doing today.
All right, can you tell me what the different parts of this unit are?
By unit, you mean this rack? Sure. Right here we have the networking equipment. We have the Verizon router, which is bringing internet into the home. Here we have the Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi system, which provides the Wi-Fi in the home. And that connects to two other units and the other floors so that they get a bubble of Wi-Fi throughout the house. Over here we have the cable boxes, one for the master bedroom, one for the family room, and below that the DVD player for the family room. And any other additions that they're going to ask us to do, we'll do as needed.